welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this gorgeous bob using braiding hair, no leave out crochet method. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Rockville comb. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair, just going all the way to the back, because I want to do some basic corners going all the way to the back, sis. So nothing major, nothing serious, just, you know, some basic corners that can just keep your hair flat or whatever. I mean, if you cannot do corners, you can actually do flat twists, sis, okay? But I actually love corners because my hair is really nice and secure, and it's easier, you know, they don't unravel or anything like that, okay? This style right here is very easy, guys. Oh my gosh, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this, like for real. When I tell you this style is easy, I mean, come on, we're about to look cute in 2022. And once I'm done, I'm just gonna take my coconut oil and my Jamaican black castor oil and make sure my scalp is really nice and moisturized. You know what it is by now, okay? I'm going to be using this X-PRESSION Premium Ultra Braiding Hair, and this comes 3 in a pack. It is 52 inches, guys, and I'm only using 1 pack. It has like a darker color on the top, and then it has like a 30 on the bottom. You guys already know me and 30 are best friends. And I'm using my crochet needle, just a basic crochet needle. I'm just gonna take the scissors and then cut off the collar below, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to start sectioning the hair out, and then I'm just gonna take my crochet needle, place it in, open the hook, taking my braiding hair, placing it on the hook, closing the hook, and then pulling it out exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna place my fingers in the hole right there, okay? And then I'm going to pull the hair in and then twist my fingers and then put the hair in again and then pull it out. Exactly the way I'm doing, very easy. I wanted to do it twice because I wanted it to be really nice and secure, and I don't want to do it too much, you know, because twice is really nice and secure, sis, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys again. Take your crochet needle, place it in, open the hook, okay? Take your braiding hair, place it on the hook, close the hook and pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're just gonna take your fingers, place them in the hole right there, and then take your braiding hair, place it in, and then twist your fingers and then place it in again and then pull it out. Very easy, guys. I'm trying to give you all these cute little easy peasy styles that you can do by yourself at home. So I'm gonna show you guys again. Take your crochet needle, place it in, open the hook, okay? Take your braiding hair, place it on the hook, close the hook and pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're just gonna take your fingers, place them in the hole right there, take your braiding hair, place it in, and then twist your fingers a little bit. That way you have 2 knots, okay? And then you place it in again and then pull it out. And it's very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. But while I was still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Alright guys, so you know me, I gotta spice this hairstyle up or whatever. So what I decided to do is I just took a little piece of Sala 30, guys, and I'm just gonna take that and sprinkle it on the top right here so that I give myself you know, some more highlights. All right guys, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this natural parting, no leave out whatsoever. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. It's actually very easy. You're just gonna place your crochet needle in, open the hook, take your braiding hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're gonna take your fingers, place them in, right? And then you're just going to take one of the sides, guys. So you're gonna take one of the sides, place it in, and then you're going to give your hair a little twist, okay? You're gonna do it twice. That way it is really nice and secure. And then you're just going to flip it. So once you flip it, as you guys can see, it is actually looking like it is growing out of my scalp. Make sure you're coming very close together. That way it looks really nice and full over there. That way it is covering really well. Once you do that, it is all good, sis. Okay, so you're gonna do both sides on this side and then the other side when you flip it as well, okay? Whatever parting you want to do, you're gonna do this technique right here, this trick right here. This actually works every single time, and it actually looks really natural, and the parting looks really legit. Okay, Somebody said, Tupo, can you show me this hairstyle? You know, the same style that you did, but in a bob. I was like, you don't have to tell me twice, honey. I would do it. I was trying to do a bob as well. So I was like, yes, sis. And I said, oh, let me give myself a little pop of color because you know me, honey. I just wanted to sprinkle and make sure everything is really nice and va-va-voomed over here. Okay, we're going all the way to boop, 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 100. Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers, guys. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, since you are just watching my video right now, take a pause right there, just subscribe, hit that red button right there. Make sure you hit that notification as well, that way you do not miss out on any uploads, because guess what, this channel is getting way juicy, okay? And you do not want to get off this train. This train is going all the way to the end, okay? This style right here, I mean, it's easy, it's cheap, we're saving money, we're saving time. It took me about 45 minutes to get this done, period. Took me 15 minutes to braid my hair down, and then it took me 30 minutes to do this whole style right here, okay? Alright guys, so once I'm done, I'm just gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure my baby hairs are nice and laid. Okay, so we are laying these baby hairs using the brush that I got from where? From Amazon. You already know what it is by now, okay? And then I'm going to take my mousse just to make sure everything is nice and laid. You know, the parting looks really nice and legit or whatever. And then I'm going to take my scarf just to make sure everything is nice and laid, sister. And that's about it. And you know, I gotta go make sure my makeup is done or whatever. And right now, makeup is done. And I'm just gonna take my brush and my scissors because we're about to cut this blunt cut right here, okay? So I'm just gonna be taking a little section at a time, guys, taking my brush, you know, brushing it down, and then take my hair, measure it right there, and then just, you know, give myself a blunt cut. So this hair right here, I'm not doing anything but giving myself a blunt cut. Just make sure, you know, you're looking at the mirror, then go to the back and do the exact same thing. Want to take the time to thank each and every one of you guys for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos, for sharing my videos. I cannot believe we are here today. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You guys are the real MVPs. I wanted to show you guys how natural and how realistic you can actually make your bob. No leave out, guys, no leave out, nothing. Your hair is in, your hair is nice and protected. This style right here, let me tell you, if you wanted to rock something for a week, for 2 weeks, for even a month, you can actually rock this style right here, sis. Let me tell you something. $5.99, you are out the door looking like $1 million. Okay, that's all we're doing, saving money, time, and everything in 2022. And baby, when I tell you this bob came all the way through, yes, sis, I am living for this bob right here. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are feeling the combo situation, the color situation right here. Let me know if you guys are feeling the highlights, the bob, the natural look, the natural parting. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying it. I want you guys to try these hairstyles because they are easy. I mean, when I tell you, you are saving time, money, and everything in 2022. I love how clean this hair looks. I love the blunt cut. I love that I didn't do nothing to it. I just cut this hair and that's about it, sis. You don't have to do much to this hair. I mean, you just cut this hair and you are out the door. Okay, sis. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for the love, for the time that you took to watch my videos, sharing my videos, and even subscribing. Let's get to 400K because at this point, it is up from here. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.